Alright, so in this lecture we will learn about these tools. If you want to change the position of these tools, and just like here you see the options. If you want to hide these options, then go to the edit. Okay, so first is the menus. Here you see the file menus. If you want to just make it it's like invisible. Okay, when you click file, you see here no new because we just hide it. And again menus, the visible. Okay, and you can find it the color just like the red one. So when I click, here's the it's being selected here. So to if you want to highlight the option, if you are confusing just like where is the options, then you can highlight the option using this tool. So the menu, I will just make it the default none and visible. So it's menu and it's like the default one. Okay, so you can change the options just like from any file, any menu. You can make it visible or invisible, and you can attach the color if you want to find this tool just like the more faster. And now come to this one. If I will edit this the positioning, then this is the edit toolbar, and you can see here the tools that is just shown here. Okay, so you can change their position just like if you want to or also it is showing the just like the keyword shortcut. Okay, when I press B, then it will show me this one. When I press with the shift B, then it will show me the pencil tool, the color replacement, and mixer tool. Okay, then and you can define the shortcut key for these tools. Alright, and if you want to just like change their position, then you have to just like do. Okay, here you see the quick selection is just disabled from here. It is just come to this section, and make it to here, then it will come under this section. Alright, I'm just making it cancel, and you see here the quick select and magic band is just selected with the W key. Okay, and this one selected the the B key. When I press B single time, my brush is selected, and when I press with the shift B, then you see it's changing. Okay, and you can find it here, just right click and you can select any tool. Okay, and you can just hold down your left key, then you can also find these tools. So this is the technique. You can or to the tool that will allow you to change their positioning and their shortcut keys.